Hey y'all, this is a video to quickly recap last week and give you reminders and updates for the upcoming week because you have some stuff due. So we just did week 2. You all had no assignments due this week, but we talked about goals and missions. Some of you have sent me an email checking in about goals, making sure they're kind of tweaked correctly. That's fine with me. Just keep in mind that that is due on the 8th. You'll upload your 2 goals into Moodle by 11:55 p.m. And again, I don't take late work on that. And think about your goals for post-graduation on that, okay? And so we're starting in week 3 today. We're focusing on resumes and elevator speeches. So I've got your video that goes with your slides. I strongly encourage you to review this so that you don't get marked down on your resume assignment. It has everything I'm gonna be checking for. And then I also have resources. And inside these resources, you can actually see a checklist. This, again, is what I'll be scoring you on. So be sure you're looking at that action words list. I know for me, I tend to get stuck on the same verbs over and over. So this is a good list of synonyms. We've got our resume template. If you've never created one, this is fine. When I say template, this is kind of a breakdown, but you're not stuck in these sections. When you use a template from Word, you get kind of caught up in having things in certain sections and you can't tweak it much. So we discourage you from using a template from Word. Stuff about goals, professional summary. I will be looking pretty harshly at your professional summary, so you can get some help on those with this resource. But I wanted to make sure that you knew that the resources are there, the video is there, and then these are your reminders. Now ignore, when I downloaded this, it made all ones. Don't worry about the first one, that's for in class. Your first reminder, your life mission and goals is due by the 8th in Moodle, which I mentioned. Your resume with the CALS Career Services review is due September 15th in Moodle. Later today or tomorrow, I'll be getting a sign out up and out for you all for our resume day on September 10th between 10 and 4 p.m. There'll be career services folks on site in Nelson Hall. You spend 30 minutes with them and you can get that resume reviewed because that's part of the assignment, or you can make your own separate appointment with them. Be sure you go back to the syllabus and look at that assignment as well. And then we have our first guest speaker on September 23rd at 4 p.m. with the reflection due in Moodle by the 30th. It's going to be Meredith Guido from North Carolina Department of Ag, so really important to know and influential. But be sure you make note of these dates on your calendar, and then really quickly, I'm just going to be sure that you know to go back to your syllabus, downloaded here. I want you to look at your syllabus and look at this resume assignment, okay? It's worth 10 points on your final grade. And let me just get down to this. Okay, you have to have it reviewed by CALS Career Services, okay? And then you're gonna submit everything in one packet. And this is the order here. It's also outlined in the paragraph. On top, first document is gonna be your final version, the updated resume, the one you want me to grade that you would give out to folks. Right below that is your original version, the one you came up with on your own. And then below that is a copy of your edited resume with the name of the reviewer on it. So I want 3 pieces. One is your most pristine. It's what you would submit for a job. Second is your first version. And third is a copy of all those edits. You can see exactly how I'm going to grade. And I put here, don't wait until the last minute to make an appointment with CALS Career Services. If you can't make our resume day on September 10th, you need to make your own appointment. But if you wait till the last minute, so you wait till next Thursday, and they tell you that they can't accommodate you, you're just gonna lose points for that, okay? And so keep that in mind. Go ahead and make your appointment because this is due September 15th in Moodle. And that's all I have for y'all today.